Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you my 5 best crypto trading apps for beginners. In the last 5 years, I've used over 12 crypto apps, and I'm currently using 7 on my phone. But the 5 apps I'll be sharing with you guys in this video, to me, are the best in terms of trading crypto, investing in crypto, and in terms of low trading fees. Now, in this video, I'll also be telling you more reasons why I'm choosing these apps, and also I'll be telling you the unique feature on each of these apps and other useful information about each app. Now, if you need links to create accounts on any of these apps I'll be talking about in this video, my referral links are in the description below, so check them out. Before I go into these 5 apps, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos of personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. With that being said, let's get started. Now, my first app for beginners is Binance. Now, Binance is one of the most popular crypto exchange app in the world. Now, when you're talking about crypto to anyone, the app that comes to a lot of people's mind is Binance. And I'm sure a lot of us, we all have Binance accounts. Now, for me, I've been using the Binance app since 2019, and I love the app because you can do a lot of things on the app. You can trade crypto on the app, you can do spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, P2P, and so on. You can also earn passive income on Binance. Also, I love the app for its user-friendly interface, low trading fees, and wide selection of cryptocurrencies. You can basically find any cryptocurrency on Binance. Now, the unique feature that I love a lot about the Binance app is the new Auto Invest feature that lets you invest in cryptocurrencies automatically using the dollar cost averaging method. Now, I have a full video and a full guide on this. The link to that video will be in the description below. In summary, Binance is a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders who are looking for a very reliable crypto trading app. Now, in case you're interested in signing up for Binance, you can always do that to my referral link in the description below. And if you need tutorials on any feature on the Binance app, I have all the videos you will need in a playlist on my channel. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. That's number 1. Number 2 is Bybit. Now, Bybit is also another popular crypto exchange app that I will recommend to any beginner in crypto. Now, I've been using the Bybit app since 2021 and I've loved the app since then. Now, the app has so many features that can allow you to make money through crypto, just like Binance. Now, the derivatives of futures trading platform on the app is one of the many reasons why I will recommend this app for a lot of beginners. It is simple to use and it also has a user-friendly interface just like Binance, and it also has advanced trading features for advanced traders. Also, Bybit is one of those apps with the lowest trading fees in the market. And the unique feature for Bybit, which I love the most, is the copy trading feature where you can copy trades from professional traders to make money. I also have a tutorial on this. The link will also be in the description below. All these and many more are the reasons why we advise anyone to use the Bybit app for crypto trading. And if you also need tutorials on any feature on the Bybit app, I have all the videos you will need in a playlist on my channel also. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. And if you don't have a Bybit account yet, you can use my referral link in the description below to create an account. Number 3 is Kucoin app. Now, the Kucoin app is my crypto investing app and I use it for spot trading once in a while. Now, just like Binance, Kucoin also offers trading features like spot trading and futures trading. Also, Kucoin has so many cryptocurrencies that you can trade, and some of these cryptocurrencies can be found on most crypto apps. The Kucoin app is an app that is big on trading bots. Now, this is the unique feature I love a lot about the app. So if you're the kind of person that you would love to use trading bots for your crypto trades, then you should check out the Kucoin app. Now, I also have tutorials on how to do spot trading and futures trading on the Kucoin app. The links to these videos will also be in the description below. And don't forget to also use my referral link if you want to create a Kucoin account. Number 4 is the Bitget app. Now, Bitget is also another crypto derivatives exchange that offers futures trading as well as crypto trading. Now, I've noticed that the Bitget app is not really popular because I rarely see people use it, but it's a very good app to use for your crypto trades. Now, if you are the kind of person who is having issues with setting up your account for verification on Binance or any other crypto app, you should definitely try out the Bitget app. It is very simple to use. I also have tutorials about the Bitget app. You will find the links in the description below. Now for the last one, number 5 is Remitano. Now the Remitano app is a peer-to-peer crypto exchange app that allows you to easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users on the app. Now, I also love the Remitano app for its user-friendly interface and low trading fees, but you can't find so many cryptocurrencies on the app. Now, I've been using the Remitano app since 2021, and the main reason why I love the app is because of the peer-to-peer trading model, which allows you to easily buy and sell cryptocurrency directly with other users like you without the need for an intermediary. Now, this allows you to perform faster and more secure transactions as well as lower fees. Now, if you're also interested in trying out the Remitano app, you can sign up for an account with my referral link in the description below. I also have different tutorials on how to use the Remitano app. The links will also be in the description below. So these are my 5 best crypto trading apps for beginners, and I'm currently using all these apps I've mentioned in this video. If you're a beginner, by now you should know which of these apps is best for you. And if you have any questions about any of these apps mentioned in this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you also want me to make videos about any other crypto app, let me know in the comment section also. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.